Is it time to buy or sell SoundHound AI stock? In this video, we are diving deep into SoundHound AI. Our initial report was published on our website on Thursday, the 20th of March, 2025, and now we are here to provide you with an even more detailed analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analysis. You do not want to miss any crucial updates that could impact your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of AI and receive free price predictions and in-depth analysis for any one among 45,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. Since the 17th of March, 2025, our system has identified SoundHound AI as a sell candidate, assigning it a score of negative 2.24. Now, let's review the stock's performance during this time. The stock has seen a decline of 4.86%. This equates to an average daily loss of 1.22% since it was designated as a sell candidate. The stock currently rests in the center of a broad and declining trend in the short term, indicating that further decline is expected within this trend. The trend over the past 3 months suggests a possible change of nearly 50% negative over the next 3 months, with potential returns ranging from negative 63% to negative 35%. When we examine the longer term, our analysis over a 12-month period indicates a projected change of approximately 72%. According to our calculations, the stock's performance could fluctuate between 58% and nearly 400% over the upcoming year. In today's terms, this suggests a future price range between $15.20 and $45.92. Our latest daily update for SoundHound AI includes the headline, Red Day on Thursday for SoundHound AI Inc. On the last trading day, Thursday, the 20th of March, 2025, the stock price for SoundHound AI Inc. experienced a decline of 2.64%, dropping from $9.85 to $9.59. Throughout the day, the stock fluctuated by 6.72%, reaching a low of $9.53 and a high of $10.17. The price has decreased in 6 of the last 10 days, but has still increased by 0.42% over the past 2 weeks. Trading volume rose on the last day by 5 million shares, albeit amidst falling prices. This may serve as an early warning signal, indicating a slight increase in risk over the coming days. In total, 24 million shares were exchanged, amounting to approximately $232,970,000. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest recorded stock price was $24.98, while the lowest was $3.50. Currently, the price is 61.61%, or $15.39, below the 52-week high of $24.98, which also represents the all-time high for the stock. Recent developments surrounding SoundHound AI Incorporated, trading under the ticker symbol SOUN, have sparked significant investor interest and concern. As of the 20th of March, 2025, multiple law firms, including Rosen Law Firm and Bronstein, Gewurz & Grossman, have announced investigations into potential securities fraud. These inquiries are tied to allegations that SoundHound may have provided misleading business information, raising serious flags for shareholders. In the short term, these investigations could instill fear among investors, resulting in increased selling pressure on the stock as uncertainty looms. Negative sentiment around potential class action lawsuits typically weighs down stock prices, prompting a cautious approach among traders and long-term investors alike. However, the situation is compounded by SoundHound's recent disclosures about their significant financial losses and a troubling price-to-sales ratio of 40 times, vastly surpassing the industry median. This overvaluation could be a critical factor if market corrections occur, leading some investors to reassess their positions. Conversely, the company announced a strategic partnership with NVIDIA, focusing on enhancing its voice AI technologies. Such developments indicate innovation and long-term growth potential, which may help stabilize the stock if effectively communicated. Yet, until clearer regulatory outcomes emerge, the current turbulence surrounding securities investigations will likely create volatility in SoundHound's stock price, making it a focal point for risk-conscious investors in the tech sector. Analyst ratings. On Wednesday, the 18th of September, 2024, it was reported that H.C. Wainwright assigned SOUN an underperform rating with a hold recommendation. On the same day, it was reported that Wedbush assigned SOUN a buy rating with a hold recommendation. Again, on Wednesday, the 18th of September, 2024, H.C. Wainwright gave SOUN a buy rating with a hold recommendation. On Friday, the 9th of August, 2024, it was reported that Wedbush assigned SOUN an outperform rating with a hold recommendation. On the same day, Cantor Fitzgerald assigned SOUN an overweight rating with an upgrade recommendation. Analysts have assigned SoundHound AI stock a general strong sell rating. They classify the price-to-earnings ratio as strong sell and the price-to-book ratio as strong sell. Regarding return on investment, the analysts provide the stock with a strong sell rating. The following signals have been identified for SoundHound AI. A buy signal was issued from a pivot bottom point on Tuesday, March 11, 2025, and so far it has risen 12.3%. Further increases are anticipated until a new top pivot is established. Additionally, a buy signal is indicated from the 3-month Moving Average Convergence Divergence, or MACD. However, some negative signals have also been issued, which may impact short-term developments. The stock of SoundHound AI Inc. currently holds sell signals from both short and long-term moving averages, suggesting a more negative outlook for the stock. There is also a general sell signal based on the relationship between these averages, where the long-term average is above the short-term average. During upward corrections, there will be resistance from the lines at $9.64 and $11.44. A breakout above any of these levels will trigger buy signals. Notably, volume increased while prices fell yesterday, which may serve as an early warning, indicating that the stock should be monitored more closely. Here are some other signals you might find interesting. Moving Average Convergence Divergence, buy signal. Pivots, buy signal from 8 days ago. Short-term moving average, sell signal from 2 days ago. Long-term moving average, buy signal from 43 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages, buy signal from 46 days ago. If we look at the 12-month chart, we see short moving average, sell signal from 4 days ago. The long-term moving average, sell signal from 25 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages, buy signal from 11 days ago. Remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us if you want to find more signals. Support, risk, and stop loss for SoundHound AI. SoundHound AI Inc. finds support from accumulated volume at $9.57. This level may present a buying opportunity, as an upward reaction is anticipated when this support is tested. This stock can experience significant daily movement, indicating high volatility. With a large prediction interval indicated by the Bollinger Band, this stock is regarded as high risk. Over the past day, the stock fluctuated by 640 cents between its high and low, reflecting a change of 6.72%. In the past week, the stock has shown an average daily volatility of 7.64%. Before we dive into the potential trading levels for SoundHound AI, let's quickly cover some essential fundamental data. First, let's discuss the price-to-earnings ratio, commonly referred to as the PE ratio. This important metric measures a company's current share price in relation to its earnings per share. A negative PE ratio indicates that the company is experiencing negative earnings or is losing money. Even well-established companies may face downturns, often due to factors outside their control. However, consistently negative PE ratios could suggest insufficient profitability and may indicate potential bankruptcy risks. In other news, the upcoming earnings report for the first quarter of 2025 is anticipated on the 8th of May, 2025. Analyst consensus estimates stand at -7 cents. It is important to monitor these figures as they can significantly influence stock prices. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for SoundHound AI. In the event of an upward trend, the first resistance level for SoundHound AI is at $10.82. If you do not own any shares, it may be wise to wait for this level to be surpassed before entering a position. For those already holding the stock, this could be a strategic point to consider for swing trading. On the downside, SoundHound AI meets its first support level at $9.57. If this support level holds firm, it may present a favorable entry point, anticipating a rebound. The combined average rating for SoundHound AI from multiple analyst sources is classified as a strong sell. Now, let's review some recent insider trades. On the 23rd of December, 2024, Marcus Lawrence executed an insider sale of 20,000 shares of Class A common stock. On the same day, Diana Soroka conducted an insider sale of 3,402 shares of Class A common stock. On the 20th of December, 2024, Keyvan Mohajer executed an insider sale of 121,194 shares of Class A common stock. On the 24th of December, 2024, Keyvan Mohajer completed an insider sale of 26,418 shares of Class A common stock. On the same day, he also executed another insider sale of 127,105 shares of Class A common stock. Analyzing the 100 most recent insider trades, we find that the insider power is negative, with a ratio of negative 7.402. In total, insiders acquired 6,311,191 shares and disposed of 6,884,717 shares in the last 100 trades. Currently, we hold a negative evaluation for this stock, and there is no stop loss in place. Is SoundHound AI stock a good buy? SoundHound AI Inc. presents several negative signals and is currently within a broad and declining trend. Consequently, we anticipate it will continue to perform poorly in the coming days or weeks, leading us to a negative assessment of this stock. After examining the volatility and movements from the last trading day, our analysis indicates that the current price is undervalued. For trading on Friday, the 21st of March, we expect SoundHound AI to open higher by approximately 17 cents, starting at $9.76. We remind you that trading involves a high risk of losing money, and you should consult with a financial advisor before buying or selling any securities. Investment decisions should not be based solely on the information from StockInvest.us. By utilizing this information, you agree and accept responsibility for your own investment choices. This is our current view of the stock. Do you agree or disagree? We invite you to comment below and share your thoughts. What is your target for the stock? Remember to show your support by liking and subscribing. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a wonderful day, with warm regards from all of us here at StockInvest.